Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie, and today I will show you some of my last purchases. Hope you are well. Let's go. All this stuff is bought from some French seller. Let's go. The first, that the mailman bring me this card, and then I will show you. It's John Stockton. Very happy with this. Of course, he's a great player, one of the best players in NBA history. He was a member of the original Dream Team. Very happy with this. Great, great, great. I must to pay about $10 or $9 about this card, but I'm very, very, very happy with this. Let's go next. The other card are it's about mainly about football. Also go to the French seller. Let's go. Okay, that's first. Okay, that it's a Matt Forte. It's a numbered card. Mainly all the card it's about $2 or $3, something like this, except the last that will be a bonus. Okay, very happy with this. It's numbered card. Very good player. Very happy with this. Next is the patch of Chad Pennington. He was a decent quarterback. I think played for the Jets and it's Dolphins too. Okay, nice. Next, it's a Gale Sayers. Oh, I like this modern throwback card. Very happy with this. Nice. Next is Arlon Hill. I don't know a lot about this player, but it was a number card, and it was a former player, and I buy it for $2, $1 or $2, something like this. Happy with this. Okay, nice. Next is another Gale Sayer card. Very happy with this. And this crazy, fantastic player also in the past year is signed my card. I was very happy about this return. Rest in peace, Mr. Gale Sayers. Nice. Next, oh, it's another modern throwback card. It's Jim Brown. Quite happy with this. Nice. Next is it's an auto, but it's not very. I don't know this guy. This is David Ball. I buy this because the price was cheap, and also it's a little funny because he comes from the College of New Hampshire. I don't know a lot of players who come from this college, New Hampshire College. Nice. Next. Oh, that's stuck. Okay, nice. Next is Trent Richardson patch. Quite happy with this. Love this. Okay, it was not succeed to perform in NFL, but anyway, happy with this patch with brown uniform. Nice. Next, it's a Richard Dent card, numbered, one of the best defensive player in Bear history. Very happy with this. Must to be maybe the I don't know. He must to be one of the best in sack NFL history. I think so. In one of the maybe not the first, but in the top. Another cheap card. It's a Sam Baker auto. I don't know a lot about this player, but I like the looking, and he wears a USC uniform, and it's a live man. Quite happy with this. Another USC player auto, it's Keats River. I like a lot this looking card and with the auto. This guy, I think he was a linebacker and he played also for the Cincinnati Bengals. Next, It's a patch auto of Mike Glennon. Okay. He's a decent quarterback. I don't know if he's yet in NFL, but the price was cheap and I high to, to my to my purchase to my yes. Oh, that is very nice. For this month, it's one of the best. It's a Rich Gannon jersey. Or he was a very very good player with hard work ethic and very happy with this. In this moment, I think he now a football coach. I don't know in which team, maybe it's in NFL or NCAA, but very, very happy with this patch. Nice. Next, it's a Craig Morton auto. I don't know a lot about this player, but I love this edition of Upper Deck. I don't know the year, what is it? 2006 Upper Deck Legend Football. It's some stickers auto, but I love this look of this auto set. I get some few other Herman Moo and some other player I must to check, but really I like this this set. I'm very happy with this auto. Nice. Next, it's Sean Alexander patch. Quite happy with this. He was, I think he was 1 year MVP Super Bowl or MVP of the NFL MVP for 1 year. I think so. Not sure about this. One thing is sure. One time he was at the cover of the Madden video game. That he was a very good running back. Nice. Next, it's a patch of Marshawn Lynch. Quite happy with this. The patch is a little dark with the card, but anyway, it was a cheap price and I take it. Nice. Next, oh, I'm very happy with this. I not pay a lot. It's a Torrey Hall jersey. Oh, he was a fantastic wide receiver for the Rams and with the great team of the St. Louis Rams. Voilà. The great show on turf, that's Kurt Warner, Isaiah Brooks, Marshall Falk. Oh, that was crazy. I'm very happy with this cheap purchase. Very, very, very happy with this. Nice. That it's another. Okay, it's Gary. It's a Gary Garrison. He wears a Charger uniform. I don't know so much about this player, but I will check on the internet. And I love this series, and of course it's some stickers auto, but very I find us very nice. This very nice, great, great. That is great. Next, what is it? Oh, it's a Reggie Bush. It's a Reggie Bush jersey. Of course, he was a very good player, a fantastic NCAA player. I think he won the Heisman Trophy. That is very nice. And for the last, it's my last purchase, and it was my more expensive card about this purchase. I will show you. It's a Trip Auto of Matt Forte. I'm very happy with this because I love the color, I love the patch, and maybe I overpay a little bit this card. I pay for $30, but I love the patch. The guy is a French seller. Maybe the value it's maybe 15 or 20 something like that. But very happy with this. On this fantastic, I check about this stat, and he run more than 10,000 yards during this career. That is crazy. He was also a very good receiver for running back. He received a lot of paces. And I remember even at the end of the career with the Jets, he was quite good. He was good even at the end of the career. Donc very happy with this. And I love the card with the orange patch in the middle. But very, very happy with this. I will try to find some holder and some case in order to store all my cards on this particularly. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best. Bye bye.